Found an awesome video on TikTok and want to save it to your phone? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to download TikTok videos. Now let's get started. To begin, find a TikTok you'd like to save. Then tap the share icon on the right. In the menu that pops up, select Save Video. If you don't see the Save Video option, this TikTok user may have disabled the download option on their profile. Once your download is complete, the video you saved will appear in your device's camera roll. This way, you'll always have a copy of your favorite TikTok videos. That's all it takes to download videos from TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.